I've got to cut this all out. Look, the rust is already through right here. A new dog on the channel. See how scaly it is? And the primer's just flaking off. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt and today we are back on the SSP rust repair project. I'm at Fox Mustang Restoration, which is where I've been doing all the work on the car, and this is the car right here, the SSP. Today we've got to focus on this side right here. So last time we pretty much buttoned up that side. I still need to basically grind the welds down, but other than that, that side has been repaired. On this side though, we haven't even really started. So what I've got to do today, these are some spot welds. I've got to cut this all out and then we'll see how bad the rust is. This piece has to come up. We got to cut a template. We got to cut a template just like we did for the other side and basically replace this whole piece of metal. So yeah, we got to do it on both sides. It's unfortunate and it is not a very exciting process. So like I said in one of the previous videos, I'm gonna not show you guys a ton of this, especially since you've already seen it, right? I mean, I've already drilled out the spot welds. I've already repaired the whole other side. So you kind of have an idea of what this looks like anyway for how to. So all this is really an update video. It's gonna be a shorter video. So this is what we were starting with and I will give you guys an update. I'll probably come in next when we've got all this off and show you how bad the rust is underneath. We don't think this side is going to be as bad as the other side, but it's still bad. Got to repair it. So that's what you're in for today, and hopefully we make a lot of progress. I doubt I'll even get to welding today, but maybe I will. If I do, it'd be awesome if I could complete this entire side today. So we'll see. Anyway, let me go ahead and get started on this. Catch up with you guys in just a second. First thing I've got to do is drill out some of these spot welds, guys, and I've already marked them. Matt actually is here with me. He's marking these. He did this one as a template. So this is a little bit different than how we drilled out the spot welds last time, but I've got all these others we've identified. There's also one here on the side. Gonna drill out. And then up here, what we were trying to do, trying to use this wire brush to identify the spot welds, and unfortunately, still can't see them. I will say, look, the rust is already through right here. That little hole there, if you guys can see that. So yeah, I don't know up here. We're just gonna probably have to start breaking them loose with the breaker bar and see where the spot welds are. It's hard to tell. But I've got a lot of drilling ahead of me. I don't have the plasma cutter this time. Now, I initially started drilling out the spot welds, right? I did all these before. And then later on, we got the plasma cutter, which was awesome, but we rented it and it's gone back. So now it's back to drilling, which is not as much fun. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and drill that out and should show you guys what that looks like right after I'm done. I've got a little update for you guys. I've been very busy over here drilling out the spot welds, and you can see I've almost got this bent up and all the way off. I'm still working on this top part here. Had a couple more spot welds I had to remove, so I'm trying to remove this part of the A-pillar here, but check out the scale on this rust. I mean, you can see it pretty clearly in the camera. See how scaly it is? This is where I was drilling out the spot weld so we can try to remove this. But yeah, it's definitely needed to be done, as you can definitely tell right there on video. So still working on getting this out, and of course, the gloves, I've taken the beating. So I'm down a pair of gloves already, but yeah, this is long and tedious, but we are getting there, and I'm hoping, I think I might even be able to sandblast a little bit today. We'll see. So let me see if I can finish getting this A-pillar up, and I'll show you guys what it looks like with that removed. We can see all the rust. There's gonna be more down in there. All right, guys, I've still been fighting with this side, trying to bust these seams through here, and our drill bit wasn't working, of course, but I think we got it enough. Matt's gonna try, go ahead and cut it, the A-pillar like we did the other side right now. So he's about to do that, and I'm not sure, I can't remember if we did that on that side, so I want to get this time. So I'm going to bring him in here, and he is wearing the Gearhead 704 shirt today, so it's going to work for sure. All right, let's let him get in here. Guys, I'm taking a little break. I've stepped outside just to get away from the car for a moment. And also, we have a special guest announcement here today. So we got somebody brand new on the channel I want to introduce you guys to. Gonna be a permanent member of the channel. And that is not Tiffany. Who'd you bring with you today, Tiffany?
This is Tyson.
Say hi, Tyson. We got a new dog on the channel. New dog for us.
Yes.
So, I guess we could have named him FoxBody, but that didn't quite work. So he's already named Tyson.
He is. I like it. He is a 5-year-old rescue dog. So he was at the shelter for almost a year, and we really fell in love with him. He's super chill and just wants lots of love. He's very curious out here with all the smells.
Yeah, there's lots of dogs around here. In case you guys don't know, there's like Icky around here, Elise, and Matt and Jen have a new dog named Lily. So there's all kinds of dogs around here all the time. So he's really excited to be here. But yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys. Share that we got a new puppy on the channel. Not really a puppy, but yeah. And we have Tiffany out here, of course, today. So maybe we'll find something for her to do. I don't know. We've got a lot to do more on the car. So I'm gonna get back inside, get back to it, catch up with you guys in a second. Well, we have some success. We've got another part of the A-pillar. We're not using this again, so this is pulled off. Let me show you guys a little bit better though. This piece, you know, obviously it was here, right? It's completely gone, but check out underneath the primer and the paint right here. Look, we already had rust and the primer's just flaking off. So yep, that is bad. We have opened this up in here. Let me get a light for you guys. All right, showing you down in there. Let's see if we can, this doesn't blind you. There you go. Yeah, now you can see kind of the rust inside right there. It's definitely not as bad as the passenger side, but this had to be done. So still not done on this side yet. Still can't sandblast because we've got to get this little, for the door, this block right here. We've got to get that knocked out. Already identified 3 spot welds on this side. It's a bracket in here basically. I don't know if you guys can tell, there's bracket. We had the same thing on the other side. I showed you guys that before. But yeah, I've got to bust this one out. So that's what it's all about. Finding, you know, the spot welds, drilling those out, using the seam buster, busting the metal out, you know? So that's why it's just a little update, and I'm not carrying you guys through showing you everything on the video. But yeah, we definitely had to do this. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working on drilling those spot welds, and let's see if we can get the bracket off. I'm getting hot and getting tired, guys, but yeah, let me get back to it. It's about 3.5 hours later from my last update, but look, we got it cut out. Man, that was fun. Let me show you guys. There you go. That's the rust that we had. Again, not as bad as the other side. More in here. It was definitely a lot worse, but the big thing, if you remember earlier when we cut this out, it was all the way through right in here. So, and obviously this scale isn't great. I mean, we could get to this, right? You could get to this on the outside, but the thing was on the inside, and might as well, right? If I'm going to do that side like that, why would I leave this side like this? That's where we're at. Finished up today. And again, probably just some more shorter videos like this. I think that this project, let me recap really quick what we're gonna have to do next time. Next time we're gonna be looking at sandblasting this side again. Once we get this side sandblasted, then we can go ahead, get our template for the new metal. Oh, let me show you guys that. Here we go. Here is our new metal that's going to eventually come in here. We got to get, you know, a template so we know where to cut to get it to fit right in here exactly. But we'll get that all set up there and then weld it. Side B is on the way and almost done. Driver's side, side B. I don't know. I guess I'm thinking about side A, side B. Cassette tapes back in the 80s. I'm a kid of the 80s. Anyway, that is it for this one. If you did enjoy this video, please hit the like button. That helps me out a lot. If you're stopping in for the first time and you like what you see, please subscribe, because I do upload 2 times a week, every Sunday and Wednesday. And lately, the videos are gonna be a lot more shorter like this one. And that's pretty much it. We'll see you next time here on Gearhead 704. I put that daggone thing. Oh, here it is. So, side B. Oh, excuse me. Oh, side B. Oh, that hurt. Okay, here we go. And if you did enjoy this video, hold on. Have a little update for you guys. I've been really busy over here drilling out spot welds. Was drilling out. Do you have something on the camera? Yeah, I did. Do that again. Had a couple more spot welds. I found a couple more spot welds, but I've got some. Oh, I didn't even put the light on. Dadgummit. Delete this whole video.